get the flank! Throw the net now. Surround him slowly. Ready the nets! Pull, pull, don't let go! Pull, pull! Don't let it get away! We need backup at the ridge.
Keep pushing, almost up. All right, steady now.
Ramp steady. Bring it up slowly. Secure the rear clamps now.
Ramp is stabilized. Start rolling it in now, slowly. Confirm securement brackets are engaged.
Lowering the platform now. Keep it steady.
Descent is smooth. Engaging the pallet jack.
Confirmed. Cages secured.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Clear path confirmed.
Check the cellular regeneration markers here. They're exceeding projections.
Agreed. The subject is cleared for transport.
Scan integrity holding at 99.8%.
Acknowledged. Proceed to Phase 3. The tensile strength on batch Gamma 7 is exceeding projections. Noted.
The texture uniformity is perfect on this roll.
Okay, the next 2 trucks, you are clear to exit. Vayan con cuidado.
Recibido. We're moving out. Tablet confirms the load. You are good to go.
All right, keep them moving. We got a schedule to maintain.
The collar sits perfectly right there, sir.
Right. It's incredibly soft. I'll take it. I love the cut of this one. It's very elegant.
Yeah.
It looks perfect on you.
Yeah.
It's one of our signature Factory PulseX pieces. It just arrived this week.